Here is my second PlayDB GUI testing video. So first we're going to try by adding records to a play database. So say I'm creating a new player. Let's say player ID is 21. Let's say he's called John. Surname, let's just say Johnston. Team name, Cranley. Position, let's say he plays 6, which is in the forward pack. Rating, let's give him an 8. Try score, let's say 2. Conversion, 0. Games played, let's say he's played 10 games. Successful game 15. Injured, no. Let's say his email is John. Pick after there, John Johnston at gmail.com. So now for an app record database, simply just press the button here. And now for show records, it will delete all the input box there. We go to output, Control Z, exit drawing. So now if we go up to output just here, move that out of the way. So console, as we see at the bottom here, you can see there is John, who's been added with his details. And now if you want to go on to delete, now we're going to delete the player, but first we have to check his ID is correct. So I've got 21, check input to player ID, console, it says valid input for player ID as integer. Lovely. So now I'm delete John. I'm just simply press delete record by specifying the player ID. As if we go back over to show records, console, and here we can see John is no longer there. It's just player ID number 20, which is Sam. So that has all worked successfully.